Welcome back guys, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix if your right or left AirPod is not working or if it is not charging. And since many of you asking for me to make video on this in English, so let's do that. So in this video I'm going to cover three issues. First is if your right or left AirPod is not charging. Second is if your right or left AirPod is not pairing, and third one is if your charging case is not charging. So let's fix first problem, how to solve if your left or right AirPod is not charging. So let's take out your AirPods. So my right one is not working properly, so let me show you. Right now left AirPods and right AirPods red light is steady, and you can see that one light is blinking only, which is left one, and right AirPods light is not steady. So this is the problem. So when I insert right one in the charging case, it always in the mode of pairing. It should be in charging case, but it doesn't work at all. So how can we do that? So first of all, take out your faulted one, and let me take out the left one also, and you can see that on the bottom side there is a silver cover. So just open it using your nails. So there are two terminals, plus and minus. So when it charges, it connect plus and minus terminal to the charging case terminals, and if it is not working, then its terminal is not connected at all. So to make sure that its terminal are connecting, you have to adjust its terminal and make it to the center. So you can use matchstick. So I have stuck a matchstick in between, and to make sure it is centered. And when you see your terminals at the center, now you can insert your AirPod in the charging case, and let me show you. Now its red light should be steady. So right now it's blinking. Try to insert and eject at the same time. Now you can see that its red light now becomes steady, so it's in charging mode, and you can see its charging problem has been fixed. So now I'm going to cover second problem, which is if both are not pairing properly. So to fix this problem, you have to go to your Bluetooth device. So let me show you in mobile. So you have to go to your Bluetooth devices. So just turn on the Bluetooth, and here will be all the connected devices. So you just need to delete all the information of your AirPod. So once you delete your AirPod information from here and try to connect again, and your problem of pairing will be solved. If your charging case is not working, then it can be software problem or hardware problem. So to solve in aspect of software problem, so to fix it, you can reset it. So to reset the charging case, you have to press this power button for 5 seconds. And now take out your AirPods, both AirPods, and just power off it. So to power off it, you just have to press the sensor key for 5 seconds, and once it is turn off, so you can see that its red light becomes steady and turn off. So just insert it again, and you have to repeat this steps 5 times, and once you do that, your charging case will be reset and your charging problem hai, it will be solved instantly. So I hope you understood. I hope your problem will be solved. And if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.